Today, I'll show you how you can start earning money every single day. Yes, you heard that right, every day. Let's begin with usertesting.com. If you enjoy sharing your opinions, this is perfect for you. User testing pays you to review websites and apps. The best part? You don't need to be a tech expert. All you have to do is explore websites, try out apps, and share your feedback. It's super easy to get started. Sign up, take a short practice test to show you can follow instructions, and you're good to go. Once approved, you'll start receiving offers to test websites and apps. Each test takes about 20 minutes and pays around $10. Some tests pay even more. If you get into a routine, you could make up to $60 an hour just by sharing your thoughts from the comfort of your home. Now, let's see how quickly this adds up. If you do 3 tests in an hour, that's $30. Over a week, that's $420 just for giving your opinion. The best part? You can do it while having your morning coffee or relaxing in the evening. It's easy money, no stress, no commute. Just be yourself. Plus, user testing gives you the chance to work with well-known companies. You could be testing a new feature on a popular app or giving feedback on a major brand's website. It's exciting to know your input could help shape future technology. And you get a sneak peek at what's coming before others. Before you go, don't forget to check out our previous video for even more ways to make extra cash.